Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today video I'm going to discuss some of the stocks which you can keep in your watch list for Monday. Third November. So you can trade this. You can keep these stocks in your watch list for next 1 week or for 2 or 3 weeks. So which I personally feel which are looking good as a uh, so if market conditions support, the stocks will outperform the market. Okay, so I simply use price and volume. I rarely use indicators. Here I am using EMA exponential moving average just for reference, but I don't trade based upon EMAs or SMA or CPR, whatever it may be. So I always use indicator just for reference. I purely depends upon price and volume. So I think price, you can say like price is a king, volume is a queen. So I don't think any indicator works in market for long term. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start with our video. So today, the first stock that I'm keeping in the watch list for next week is Tamil Nadu Petro products. So here you see, so the stock try to break the resistance, previous resistance once, twice, thrice. After that, it breaks, and then it now it tries to break the next resistance. And the ultimate thing is good price movement and volume. See the volume. Volume is very high. So this indicates bulls overtake bears. So where there is a high chance, I mean we can say some 70-80% chance that bulls will continue to take the stocks to further up. Okay, so you can keep this stock in your watch list. So this is the first stock. So I'm going to share five stocks for this week. So second one is this Lotus iCare. So here this one is weekly time frame. So here you see compared to previous high, so current high there is a good movement and at the same time strong price movement. Okay, volume is also good around 2.36 million. Okay, so if you are interested to take any trade in this watch list in this stock, you can give it a try. So I can say, so in the last 3 weeks there is some good buying happening there. So based on the volume analysis, we can say this momentum will continue. So you can keep this stock in your watch list and always compare the price movement with volume. If there is no volume and there is a price movement, then most probably it is a manipulation. So if the price is moving without any volume, that means it's a vehicle is moving without a petrol. Do you think a bike will move or car will move without petrol or diesel? Impossible. So it's same. So if a price is moving but there is no volume, that means it's manipulation. So it will fall down. Okay, that's not a real move. So so first stock is Tamil Nadu Petroleum, second one is Lotus I. So third one is Strides Pharma. So this is another interesting. So we can say here you see. So based on this, we can say here there is a big volume. Big volume. See the volume here. I think if you take last few months or last few days, last 30, 40, 50 days, the current volume is very high. That indicates something big is going to happen. Some big move is loading here. So if you keep in this watch list, once price breaks above this, closes above this level, we can give it a try. So there is high probability that you can in the positive side, winning side. Okay. So Tamil Nadu Petroleum, second one is Lotus Eye Hospitals, third one is Star. Fourth one that I am going to teach you is tell you is Tilaknagar Industries on another good stock. Where you see, so there is a big price. Okay, price and volume. See the volume here. So it's a great big volume. After this rally, after a long time, now we get some big huge volume. Okay, so this volume indicates bulls are going to dominate. So the bulls will take the further move. There is high probability. There is no 100% guarantee that even though the setup is looking 100% confident or fundamentals are really good, there is no guarantee that the stock will move up. So market is all about probability. So trade based on the probability, then only you can make money. Okay. So next stock that we are going to see is RACL Gear Tech. Here you see this stock. So why I am keeping this watch list is, so if you look at the previous high, here you see the volume, the kind of volume entry. So after that there is no selling. If you see the red volume, which all are below average. So that indicates bears are controlling the stock. And then yesterday there is some significant entry happening here. So this week they will try to push it up. So once they reach this level, there may be some chance of a reversal or not. But as of now, I can say there is a big buy going to happen in this stock. So that's it. So for this week, I have given five stocks for the watch list. So you can keep it these stocks in your watch list, and let's see the next week which stocks are going to outperform the market. Okay. Always compare the price with volume. That is the mantra behind any price movement. Okay, so now I'm going to share one indicator which I personally feel it's good, but it's not a indicator based. This is a simple volume indicator. There is something called trader line against volume. You just note it down. So this will help you. This will help you if you are a beginner. This will help you to improve your trading for the initial stage. If you are a beginner, this will really help you. So and then go to settings, double click on the indicator, go to settings, remove table, remove pan labels, and here we have high relative volume color, row relative volume color, up color, down color. Up color means up bar up color, down bar down color. That we don't need because we already have volume indicator. But here these two things are very unique. This is one beautiful indicator which I am using in my initial stages. But now also I am using whenever I need it. So high relative volume bar is compared to last few days, volume is very high. Compared to last few days volume, current volume is very high. So that is indicated by green. Row relative volume bar is nothing but compared to last few days volume, today's volume is very low. So simple logic is if green appears, there is a institutional activity. Okay, if orange appears, that means supply is very low. If supply is very low, soon demand will pick up. Once demand will pick up, reversal will happen. So most of the time we will see this orange color in the bottoms. Okay, whenever orange appears, that indicates there is no more suppliers. Soon it will start moving up. Whenever green comes into the picture, that indicates institutions doing some activity. So that indicates the big move is loading. Okay, so let's see. I will show some examples. Here you see there is no big green. There are small greens. Here there is one big green, and then see the activity here. This is a pure institutional activity. So that's why I'm telling you this stock will definitely give you a good up move. For example, if you take Tamil Nadu Petro, see good institutional activity. See the institutional activity, and then see orange colors in between. That means supply is drying. Soon demand will pick up. So this area supply drying. After that it picks up, drying. After it picks up. So yesterday there is a good move. That's why I'm giving you this talk. And then yeah, and then Tilak Nagar industry. See, see the institutional activity. Beautiful buying. See again there is a institutional activity happening now. That's why I'm giving you this talk. And then star. So star C institutional activity. Big institutional activity, big volume. So soon it will blast. There is high probability. Okay. So now you understand the stocks for next week, and then one new indicator, which is a really good indicator, which is used by many professionals. So if you are a beginner or in the intermediate stage, this indicator will help you to increase your ratio. Okay. So always trade with risk reward and money management. Always follow the risk reward and money management rules. So we have two options: one, risk reward versus accuracy. Initial days, if you ask me, I can say like I am mostly focusing on accuracy. I can say my strategy are more than 60% accurate. Where my risk reward, I usually follow risk reward of 1 is to 1 or 1.5. I don't target for 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 10. I always target less so that I can make more money. But some people they will target for big risk reward. So, but their accuracy will be very low. If risk reward is very high, accuracy will be very low. If risk reward is very low, accuracy will be very very high. That's a simple logic. Okay, if accuracy very high, you're almost almost universally proportional. There is no strategy. The where risk reward is also high, accuracy also high. Okay, so focus on this. So I have my own strategy, set of strategy. If you are interested, you can message me in Telegram. You can message me in WhatsApp. All the details are available. So in you can even message me in Instagram. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. So I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you so much.